Alright, so once you get your EGR valve out, make sure it's nice and clean. Get the grooves where the O-rings are. But once you get your O-rings removed, get those grooves real clean. You're going to need to take this high heat gasket off um, and get rid of that thing. And then when you put your new one on, uh, snug it down there and make sure you don't need to take it off. You want to make sure that you put your gasket on first and not your O-rings, because you're not going to be able to get your gasket over the O-rings once you get them on there. And you don't want to damage your O-rings taking it off. So go ahead and get this thing on there, snug it down real good at the base, and try not to remove it. Like I say, once it's down there, it shouldn't need to come off again till you get ready to change it. And then grab your O-ring, and I like to take the first one and put it on top, and then slide the second one over that one and down into the second groove. Real easy that way. No messing around with. All right, and this is the gasket kit I got from my local hardware store or local parts store. It was about 15 bucks, and that's about it. I'm gonna see if I can get this thing installed today and call it a day.